is Yamini Churi, class FYMMS, roll number MB21024, subject Organizational Behavior, college name SAS Institute of Management Studies, Boisar. My topic name is the Big Five Personality Model. What is a personality? Personality refers to individual differences in characteristics, pattern of thinking, feeling, and behaving. The sum total of ways in which an individual react to and interact with others. What is a Big Five personality model? The Big Five personality dimension provide a very broad overview of someone's personality. Personality is a psychologist are interested in what differentiates one person from another and why we behave the way that we do. History of Big Five personality model. The Big Five was originally derived in 1970, asking thousands of people hundreds of questions and then analyzing the data. Scientific circles, the Big Five is now the most widely accepted, using Big Five to study personality in terms of how it changes over time and how it relates to other variables. The Big Five personality model. Personality is usually broken into components called the Big Five, which are openness to experience, conscientiousness, agreeableness, extroversion, and neuroticism. Opens to experience. It is one of the Big Five personality factor, which means being creative and open to new ideas. This factor indicates how open mind a person is. They have creative thinking and have flexible attitude. Characteristic of openness. High in openness, having unusual ideas and art, imaginative, creative, curious, daring and take risks, open to new and different ideas, flexible attitude. Lower in openness, conversational, enjoy having routines, less creative, less curious, down to earth and no flexibility. Substrates of openness: imaginations, artistic interest, emotionality, intellects, liberalism and adventurousness. Conscientiousness. Conscientiousness is used to describe the degree to which person is organized, how disciplined he or she is, and can also describe how careful a person is in certain situations. Characteristic of conscientiousness. High level of conscientiousness. Hardworking, deliberated, neat and systematic, perfectionist, highly dependable. Low level of conscientiousness. Less goal oriented, antisocial, criminal behavior, not very dependable. Substrate of conscientiousness: self-efficiency, orderliness, dutifulness, achievement, striving, self-discipline, and continuances. Agreeableness, the personality dimension that describes the individual propensity. Someone with agreeableness factor is good natures, cooperative, and trusting. Have an optimistic view of human nature. Get along well with others. Difficulty delivering bad news. Can't give criticism. Can't stand up for themselves to others. Characteristic of agreeableness. Person high in agreeableness, warm and helpful, friendly, put aside their own interests, cooperative and generous, control their negative emotions. Person low in agreeableness, suspicious, unfriendly, self-centered, uncooperative, manipulate their social relation. Substrate of agreeableness: trust, straightforwardness, altruism, compliance, modesty, tender mindedness. Extroversion. Extroversion is defined as a behavior where someone enjoys being around people more than being alone. An example, the extroversion is when someone always likes to be around people and enjoy being the center of attention. Characteristics of extroversion. People high in extroversion, highly involved in social situations, talkative, assertive and active, energetic. People low in extroversion, less involved in social situation, quiet, reserved, shy and silent. Substrates of extroversion: friendliness, gregariness, assertiveness, activity level, excitement seeking, cheerfulness. Neuroticism. Neuroticism is the tendency to experience negative emotions such as anger, anxiety, or depression. It is sometimes called emotional instability. Characteristic of neuroticism: people high in neuroticism: anxiety, self-consciousness, depression, impulsiveness, angry, hostility. People low in neuroticism: calm, even-tempered, hardy, unemotional. Substrates of neuroticism: anxiety, anger, depression, self-consciousness, immoderation, and vulnerability. Development: on average level of agreeableness and conscientiousness typically increase. Extroversion, neuroticism, and openness trait tend to decrease. Criticism: limited scope, methodological issue, theoretical status, culture influences and responses. Thank you.